Alright, yes, infants. It is that time. Time to begin packing. Soon I will be abroad in Denmark for half a year. So, it's kind of crazy. It's real soon. Um, I'm, so beginning packing, we were looking at suitcases. I intend to spend the last month going around Europe, and so we were looking at different suitcases we have, but we kind of decided I probably would need my own new one. So we went on and got that today. We're looking at we have this huge one, and then this small, carry-on size, 29-inch, 27-inch, something like that. I think maybe 29 with wheels. But we thought that was just like a little bit too big, especially if I'm going around. I mean, not especially, just if I'm going around during last month. So we wanted something maybe a little bit smaller than this, but still enough space that I could bring enough stuff for half a year, because ideally I'm just going to have the one bag and a backpack. So we ended up getting this one. This one's a Travel Pro. They're good things. Honestly, I don't know. I have no idea if it's good or not, but we'll see. I hear good things. I hear they're built well. It's only a little bit smaller. Like, it's only a few inches shorter. And then maybe like a tiny bit less wide. This one's packed a little bit right now, so that's kind of adding to it. But so really, it's not that much smaller, which is kind of good, because I didn't, like, this had, with the stuff, most of my stuff, maybe just like toiletries pretty much left. It had, and my winter stuff in there, it had a good bit of space left. Now, I wanted to put my winter stuff in since I'm coming back in the summer, and I wanted to be able to pack all that away. And then I had a little bit extra space for, like, stuff I may want to get while there. I don't intend too much, but I think having the option is good. So, in a sense, it's good that this one's not too much smaller, since that means I still have enough space for my winter stuff and for anything I buy there. Also, for my last month, since I'm going to be traveling around, it means I don't have to pack as tightly, and it's not going to be as big of a pain digging in my suitcase for the last month if I need anything, since I'm going to be staying in hostels. So that's good too, but it's just like, with it such a similar size, it like feels harder to justify it. Like, why do we need two of this size? Pretty much, they're in the same tier, kind of, I feel. But I guess one is going to be mine and one my parents. I don't know. So I put some of my stuff in here, so now it's just transferring that over. I'll show you what I got. The other ones they had, I think, were just a little bit too small. Not quite as big. Not quite a big enough step up from the other one over there. But, yeah, I don't know. Maybe they would have sufficed, but I think this is a good move. My parents kept saying that it's good, like, it's a good size. I'll feel the difference going around, on the streets and whatnot with this thing. I really don't know about that, but I was earlier telling them that I kind of wanted to take this one here, though. So it's kind of funny how the tables have turned. Anyway, Travel Pro, Walkabout 5. I don't endorse products, but they had a sale, and this is available. Silica gel, it's good for chemistry experiments. It's got fine pockets, I don't really care. This isn't a review. Here's what I was gonna bring, pretty much. It's kind of loose right now, because, like, whatever, I got a week left. But you can see there's a good bit of space left. This is with my huge winter coat and my boots in here. I may wear the boots, but I'd like the option to put them away, because, again, it's gonna be summer. But if you take this thing out, like, there is so much extra space. This is what it's gonna look like on the way out. Like, I don't know, am I gonna need, like, packing, like, paper and whatnot, packaging stuff? There's a lot of space. I was thinking of filling up on, like, peanut butter, since I hear that's pretty hard to come by. I don't know, something missed. Maybe I bring more clothes, maybe bring a towel. I'm gonna buy some of that stuff there. but maybe bring a towel. Let's see. So clothes-wise, I've got, you can't see it all very well. I'll probably do an unpacking video and film then. But I've got 3 pairs of pants here. I took out my outfit that I'm going to wear on the way out. But 3 pairs of pants, 1 pair of blue jeans, 1 pair of black jeans, blue chinos, brown chinos. I've got a scarf, a beanie. I could go for my bigger scarf now. That would be kind of nice because it's a nicer scarf, but it's bulkier. I got, right now, maybe like a week's worth of underwear. I'll probably have a little more than that. Similar number of socks. I don't know, shirts, like 6 or something. Those are actually on here. I got a dress shirt. I hear those are good to have. One of, plain red, plain, that's a white v-neck, a black polo, liner pants, rain pants, a gray tee, band tee, I don't know if these are sweatpants, 2 pairs of shorts. I got mitts just in case I go into the snow at all. I'm not sure I will. And then I swapped out the liner gloves with a nicer pair, which I could use probably most of the time. Got a little microfiber towel. This would be very useful. That's about it. Trunks. Boots. Belt. Canvas belt. And then, I don't know, this laundry or something bag. I might be able to bring another sweater. I have a red sweater, which I could use for my dressy outfit, but maybe I bring like a crew neck sweater. I was thinking of that. I'll have my backpack with me, my laptop and stuff like that. I know toiletries need to go in here. I've got a lot of music stuff, too. I'll have some games and deck of cards. I intend to buy a guitar over there, but I'll have my capo and picks because I don't think I need to buy that there. If I just have them already. Maybe bring a tuner. I'd probably leave a tuner. I don't, it's kind of, you know, I don't want to overdo it. That's mostly it. So yeah, bedding, I was gonna buy there. I probably still will. I have some here that I could bring, but I think just easiest to get it over there. But if I have the space, I could bring it and get rid of it, because I don't think I'll need it after this. I was going to buy towels, but if I have so much extra space, I could just bring the towels, and again, worst case, get rid of the towels after. I was already going to buy them and get rid of towels over there, so we'll see. I'll have 1 pair of sneakers. They haven't shipped out yet, so I was really hoping to get some new shoes. Because my current exercise shoes are kind of worn out. I was thinking of repairing the grip on them with new rubber, but I don't have time for that right now. So we will see what happens. I'm not sure. I don't know what else. That's pretty much it. 2 belts, like, I don't know, 7 or 8 shirts maybe like 7 shirts. A hoodie, winter coat, maybe like 10 days of socks and underwear, scarf, beanie, sweater, v-neck sweater that is. I got a black, like, jean shirt, like outer shirt, flannel type thing. That's about it. Yeah, now that I have so much space, I may add some more controller. I guess I didn't mention that. Some electronic stuff, you know. I have shower sandals. I hear these are good for hostels. I was thinking of bringing my screwdriver kit and some, like, bike stuff, so I don't have to buy that there, like my lights and my repair tools. But we will see. I wanted to bring my music stuff, my recording stuff, my mic and my audio interface, but I'm a little concerned about them going in checked luggage, or space in my carry-on, or dealing with security if they get suspicious of it. I heard that could be a risk. So I'm leaning toward not bringing that now, which is sad, because it's going to be a long time without it. But I guess there'll be a lot there to keep me busy. Anyway, that is most of the packing video. I will maybe tune in with an update before I head out. Probably something at the airport at least. If I remember, maybe I won't. And then hopefully when I arrive at the hostel, and then my apartment after that, and I can do an unpacking and show you exactly what I brought. Sleep mask. I didn't mention that. That's somewhere. Oh. I put those in this zipper. Earplugs. I hear those are good for hostels. Deck of cards. I have one board game broken down. So it's compact locks. You need those for your lockers in hostels. Alright, anyway. Catch y'all later. Alright, everybody. It is almost time to leave. We head out for the airport in an hour. Just pretty much finalized my packing items, cutting items, to save space. And then arranged it. This is the final packing. Arranged it so that hopefully it will be easier to get stuff when I'm in the hostel for my first week, before I move into my apartment and settle in, just so the things I need are accessible and the things that don't really are below. I decided not to bring my screwdriver set, or my little bike pump, my hand pump. I'm not bringing my audio equipment. That is very sad. But everything narrowly fits with my coat and boots in there. So, and then instead of 15 days, I'm only going to bring 12 days of underwear and socks. So, hopefully that's not too bad. I don't know. Everything else I think you already saw. But, leaving soon. Well, that's about it. Last time I've seen this place. Half a year. Does not feel real yet. We'll see. Alright, well, see y'all later.